So what's the fuss? What is ChatGPT and why does it matter?
ChatGPT is an AI language model and can be really useful in a lot of ways. Let me break down some of the benefits. ChatGPT can translate speech or text from one language to another, making it easier to communicate with people who speak different languages. AI language models can provide personalized health recommendations based on an individual's health data. ChatGPT can help individuals manage their personal finances by providing budgeting and financial planning advice. AI language models can automate tasks that would otherwise require human intervention, such as customer service chatbots responding to inquiries, saving time and resources for businesses. ChatGPT can tailor content to individual user preferences, leading to a more personalized experience in the form of targeted advertising, customized news feeds, or tailored recommendations. AI language models can help individuals organize their digital lives, such as email and calendar management. ChatGPT can help individuals consume content more efficiently, by providing summarized or personalized news feeds. AI language models can be trained on large datasets, leading to higher accuracy and more consistent results. This can be beneficial in fields such as healthcare, where accuracy is critical. ChatGPT can automate repetitive or mundane tasks, freeing up time for more complex and creative work. AI language models can help individuals with disabilities, such as visual or hearing impairments, by providing speech recognition and text-to-speech services. ChatGPT can generate content in multiple languages, which can be useful for businesses expanding into international markets. AI language models can analyze the sentiment of large volumes of text, such as social media posts or customer reviews, to better understand how customers feel about products or services. ChatGPT can provide personalized instruction and feedback to help people learn new languages more quickly and effectively. AI language models can provide more accurate translations than traditional machine translation methods, which can be useful for businesses operating in multilingual environments. ChatGPT can categorize large volumes of content into relevant topics, helping businesses better understand their audience and target their content more effectively. AI language models can improve the accuracy and relevance of search results, making it easier for users to find the information they need. ChatGPT can create more effective chatbots that can handle more complex customer inquiries, leading to better customer satisfaction and lower support costs for businesses. AI language models can detect patterns in large volumes of text that may indicate fraudulent activity, which can be useful in industries such as finance and insurance. ChatGPT can improve the accuracy of speech recognition software, making it easier for users to interact with their devices using natural language. AI language models can automatically summarize long pieces of content into shorter, more manageable formats, saving time for users and helping them quickly understand the key points of the content. So, as you can see, ChatGPT can be pretty helpful in a lot of different areas.